Buddha had a famous disciple named Nagarjuna. One day, a young monk came to Nagarjuna and said that he wanted salvation. He said that he was ready to sacrifice his life. He was ready to die, but he wanted a freedom. Whatever the cost, he was ready to pay it. Nagarjuna said that he was ready to die. Now everything was in his hands. You cannot say that he had failed in his efforts. I am ready to everything. He was honest from his side. Why should he debate his honesty? He was ready to die. What else can you ask from a man? But no matter how honest he was deluded. Nagarjuna said, wait. Do a small experiment. Then there is no hurry to kill or die. This language itself is foolish. What is the point of killing or dying here? Do a small experiment for 3 days only. Then we will see. And he told him to go to the cave in front of. Sit inside and concentrate on one thing, that you have become a buffalo. Concentrate on one thing, that you are become a buffalo. The buffalo was standing in front of him. So Nagarjuna thought, you have become a buffalo. This buffalo is standing in front of him. The young man asked with some concern, what is the connections between this and liberations? And Nagarjuna said, we will think about after 3 days. Now do it. Just keep thinking about it for 3 days. Without eating or drinking or sleeping. Just keep think about for 3 days without eating or drinking or sleeping, that you have become a buffalo. After 3 days, I will present with you. If you succeed in this, then liberations is very easy. Then there is no need to die. The young man put everything at stake. He did not eat or sleep for 3 days. Day and night for 3 days, he thought about one thing, that he is a buffalo. Now if someone keep thinking that he is a buffalo for 3 days, he has become a buffalo. It has happened. Not that it has happened. It started appearing to him that it has happened. A belief was created. A belief was created. A web of illusions was created. When he opened his eyes on the 3rd day, he was frightened. He had become a buffalo. He was even a more frightened, because how would he get out now? How would he get out now? The entrance to the cave was small. There were people when they entered. Now it was a buffalo. It had big horns. Even when it tired, its horns got stuck. It tired to scream, but no sound came out. Only the voice of buffalo came out. When the voice came out, Nagarjuna came and running. He saw that it was a young man. There were no horns anywhere, but the horns were stuck. There were no horns anywhere. He was a man like any other man. He was the same as he had come. But 3 days of self-hypnosis, 3 days of continuous suggestions. If you give suggestions even 3 times, results are achieved. In 3 days, he must have given suggestions 1,000,000 of times. Then without eating, without sleeping. When you do not sleep for 3 days, the power to dream accumulates. I did not dream at all for 3 days, just like a hunger accumulates by not eating for 3 days. Similarly, by not dreaming for 3 days, the power of dream accumulates. That the power to dreams for 3 days, their days of hunger. The more the body becomes weak in hunger, the stronger the mind becomes. Hunger weakens the body, but strengthens the mind. That is why man, a religious, started a fasting, and many religious kept a vigil at night. If you remain awake the whole night, you can see a God quickly. Dreams accumulate. And now scientists' research has also been done on this, and scientists have also agreed that if you do not dream for a long time, hallucinations started occurring, then you will be start dreaming while awake. Your eyes will remain open and you will dream. Dreams are necessity. Dreams are outlet for your mind and purgations. I remained awake for 3 days. The energy of dreams accumulated. I remained hungry for 3 days. My body becomes weak. When the body is healthy, it controls the mind. When the body is become weak, the mind becomes completely free. And the mind is the name of the power of dream. So during illness, people start seeing ghosts and spirits. Women see them more than men. Children see them more than adults. Whenever the mind is soft and stronger than the body, it is easy to dream there. Fasting for 3 days, isomnia of 3 days, and then chanting the same mantra for 3 days continuously. This is mantra yoga. If you see it and keep saying Om Om or Ram 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 for many days, you will be go mad. There is a limit of tolerance. He kept saying for 3 days, I am a buffalo, I am a buffalo, I am a buffalo. It is done. The power of the mantra worked. People ask me, what is the power of the mantra? I tell them, this story. This is the power of the mantra. Nagarjuna, standing at the door, started laughing. The young man was also very happy and said, "But you laugh? This does not make sense. Why are you all laughing? I have got trapped by falling. The solution suggested by you. Now let me out. The horns are big. I cannot get through the door. And I am hurried too. I am feeling sleepy too." And Nagarjuna went to him, shocked him hard. When he shook him, he woke up a little. When he woke up, he saw that the horns were missing. The buffalo was also nowhere to be seen. He also started laughing. Nagarjuna said, "This is the only way to liberations. The world is your creations. It is imaginary. You don't have to leave the world. You have to be alert and see. That is why those who told you to leave the world, they entangled you in salvations. That is why I am not telling you to leave the world. The very idea of leaving is misleading. How will you leave that which does not exist? If you leave it, you will fall into error. To see that which does not exist, to know that it does not exist, is to become a free. That is why Buddha said, to see the untruth as untruth is salvations. To see the non-existence as non-existence is salvations. The whole secret lies in seeing. Buddha shouts and says, don't live in neglections, carelessness. Wake up, wake up, wake up, become conscious, and you have not got anywhere. You are where you should be. You have never become a buffalo. You are what you are. You are a God. Because of this, you cannot be here or there, even a bite. There is no way to not be.